A safe alert has been issued for Tucson, Arizona. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. The Tucson Police Department is looking for Arthur Manzano. He is described as a 79-year-old Hispanic male, 5 feet 7 inches tall, 170 pounds, with brown eyes and salt and pepper hair. Mr. Manzano suffers from a condition causing memory loss and confusion. Mr. Manzano was last seen in the area of 5500 block of East Lee Street, Tucson, Arizona on September 28, 2025, around 2:15 p.m. He is believed to be wearing either a t-shirt or plaid shirt, with blue jeans and white shoes. If you have contact with this safe alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.